Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Gain's network account. Follow these steps to enable it effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Gain's network website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Escort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm the setup. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. Enabling two-factor authentication is a crucial step in protecting your Gain's network account. By following these steps, you can enhance your account's security and enjoy peace of mind.